Hello everyone. So this is the last part. Now we are going to discuss the last part of the ellipse here. So this was the last question which we discussed in the previous video, right? So now let's move to the next question. So again, a JEE advanced question, which is combination of parabola and ellipse, right? See, read the question. Suppose that foci of the ellipse x square upon 9 plus y square upon 5 are f1 and f2. So obviously आपको f1 f2 तो calculate करना ही पड़ेगा. So now let's start with this only. This is x square upon 9 plus y square upon 5 is equal to 1. You can see a is greater than b, right? So what is the eccentricity? E square is equal to 1 minus b square by a square. A square is equal to 9 and b square is equal to 5. Right? So this is 4 by 9. So what is the eccentricity? This is 3 by 2 by 3, not 3 by 2. This is 9. And what is eccentricity? This is 2 by 3. So we have got the eccentricity, right? So what are the foci? Foci will be plus minus AE. So A is equal to 3. So what are the foci? Plus minus AE. So this is, you can clearly, this is plus minus 2 comma 0. Plus minus 2 comma 0, corrected. This is done. Now f1 is positive and f2 is negative. So you can see what is f1. F1 is equal to 2, and what is f2? F2 is negative, f2 is minus 2. Right? F1 comma 0 and f2 comma 0 are the foci. F1 is positive, f1 is 2, f2 is negative, minus 2. Let P1 and P2 be two parabolas with common vertex at 0 comma 0. So now let's draw the diagram. Let P1 and P2 are two parabolas with common vertex 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, with foci at f1 and f1 comma 0 and 2 f2 comma 0. So one parabola has focus at 2 comma 0. This is f1 comma 0. You can see this is 2 comma 0. Right? This is the focus. So this is one parabola, right? Which is the vertex, which has the vertex at origin. And the other parabola has focus at 2f2. 2f2, that is minus 4 comma 0. So this is the second parabola whose focus is at 2f2, which is minus 4 comma 0, right? Let T1 be the tangent to this is P1. Okay, this is parabola P1 and this is parabola P2. T1 be the tangent to P1. T1 be the tangent to P1, which passes through 2f2. That means this focus. Okay, so now T1 be the tangent to this P1, which is passing through focus of this, right? This is T1. This is the tangent T1. T2 be the tangent to P2, which passes through f1 comma 0. F1 comma 0 is the focus of the first one, right? So this is the tangent T2. So let's say this is the tangent T2, which is T2 is tangent to P2 and passing through this, this f1 comma 0. This is f1 comma 0. I have written the value here, right? M1 be the slope of T1. M1 is the slope of T1. This is M1, the slope of M2 is the slope of T2. Then we have to find 1 by M1 square plus 1 by M2 square. So we have to find this. Now understand this. First thing is you have to find the equation of tangent to this parabola. You have to find the equation of tangent to this parabola. Now let's see what is the equation of this. You can see here, this is the focus. Can we say this is y square equal to 4ax? This parabola will be of the form y square equal to 4x. This is P1, which is y square equal to, what is the value of a? This is distance a only. Focus, what is the distance between vertex and focus? This is a. So what is a? A is equal to 2. So this is 8x. A is equal to 2, which is 8x, right? So this is the equation of this parabola. Now I want to find the equation of tangent, slope of this tangent, which is passing through minus 4 comma 0. Now see, We are interested in finding the slope of this line, this tangent, which is on P1. We can say what is the equation of tangent with slope m? This is y is equal to mx plus a by m, right? What is a? What is a? A is equal to 2. So I'll just put this is a is equal to 2. Now this tangent is passing through which point? I have assumed the slope of this line is m. This is passing through minus 4 comma 0. So if minus 4 comma 0 will satisfy this. So if we put minus 4 comma 0 here, you can see here, if I put minus 4 comma 0, this is 0 minus 4m plus 2 by m. You can see, you can just substitute minus 4 comma 0 because this tangent is passing through minus 4 comma 0. So I can just simplify this. This is 4m square is equal to 2. Correct? So this is m square is equal to 1 by 2. So m1, what is the slope of this tangent? You can see what is the slope of this tangent. This is m is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. You can see m is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Why? Plus minus because we can have tangent here or we can have tangent here. So what is the value of m1? m1 can be equal to 1 by root 2 or minus 1 by root 2. The slope of this tangent can be equal to 1 by root 2 or minus 1 by root 2 if you have the tangent in downward direction, right? So can we say m1 square will be equal to 1 by 2? I hope this part is clear. m1 square is equal to 1 by 2, right? So this part is solved. Now we have to get the tangent to this parabola which has slope m2, right? What is the equation of this parabola now? Now let's move to the, okay, we don't have the place. Let me, okay, now see, what is the equation of this parabola? This parabola will be of this form, y square is equal to minus 4ax form, right? What is a for this? You can see this a, this distance is also a. If you have this type of parabola, y square equal to minus 4x, what is the vertex focus minus a comma 0? This is a. This distance is 4. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 4. So this is, you can see a is equal to 4. So what is the equation of this? This is y square equal to minus 16x. Minus 16x, right? Now we have to find the equation of tangent to this parabola which is passing through 2 comma 0. Okay. So now see, I'll just draw this diagram here for this case. This is the parabola we have, minus y square equal to minus 16x, and I want to find the tangent to this which is passing through 2 comma 0. You can see we have to find the equation of tangent which is passing through 2 comma 0, right? Now see, we don't have the standard equation for this. What you can do is you can apply the basic tangent normal, or you can say I can use any what is the equation of this tangent? How can you find the slope of this tangent? You can either you can apply dy by dx concept, or you can directly solve this by using basic Coulomb geometry. How? Let's say the equation of this tangent, this line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is passing through 2 comma 0. I have assumed this is the line. So this is y is equal to mx minus 2m. Correct? Any line which is passing through 2 comma 0 can be taken as this. Now this line should be tangent to the parabola y square equal to minus 16x. Correct? Now any line is tangent to the parabola. How will derive the condition for tangency? That means if you solve these two equations simultaneously, if I solve this, this is mx minus 2m whole square. This is equal to minus 16x. We are just trying to solve this, right? So if I solve this, you can see we will get a quadratic b square. This is plus 4m square minus, what is this? This is 4 2 to the 4 m square x. Correct? Plus 16x is equal to 0. I have just solved these two equations. Y का value इसमें हमने put कर दिया. You can see this is 4m square minus 4m x That's 16x. So you can see here, we have got that m square plus 16 minus 4m square x plus 4m square is equal to 0. M square x square. Now, if this line is tangent to this parabola, if I solve these two, the discriminant of this should be equal to 0 because there will be only one point which is common, right? That means the roots of this equation should be equal. So what is this? This is b square, that is 16 minus 4m, b square minus 4ac. So this is 4m square into m square should be equal to 0. Discriminant b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So now I can simplify this. You can just see I can take 4 common. So 4, 16 will be cancelled. Okay. This is 4 minus m square whole square minus m raised to 4 is equal to 0. 16 cancel ho jayega because I can take 4 common, right? So if I solve this, this is 16 plus m square, m raised to 4, sorry, minus 4 to the 8 m square. You can check this, right? Minus m raised to 4 is equal to 0. So you can cancel this and you can find what is m square. M square is equal to 2. So what is m? M is equal to plus or minus root. So what is the slope of this tangent? Slope of this tangent, it is either root 2 or minus root 2 because we can have either this tangent also. So you can see here what is, wait, what is the slope of this line? This is, let's say, m2. So m2 square will definitely be equal to what? M2 square will be equal to 2. M2 square will be equal to 2. Just squaring on this. So what is the answer? Now m2 square we have got, this is equal to 2 and m1 square is 1 by 2. So what is the answer for this? You can just put the value, this is equal to 4. This is 2 and what is this? This is 1 by 2. You can check this. This is equal to 4. So this was the question which was asked in JEE Advanced. Ellipse ke liye we have only this simple part, but for parabola we have some important part, right? So this is again a good revision for tangent for parabola. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. The question here is, on the ellipse x square upon 8 plus y square upon 4 equal to 1, let P be the point in the second quadrant such that the tangent at P to the ellipse is perpendicular to the line. Okay. So let's draw the diagram. This is ellipse x square upon 8 plus y square upon 4 equal to 1. This is the ellipse. We have P be a point on the second quadrant. P is a point on this ellipse in the second quadrant such that the tangent at P to this ellipse, tangent at point P to this ellipse is perpendicular to some line x plus 2y equal to 0. It is perpendicular to the line x plus 2y equal to 0. If the line is perpendicular, what is the meaning of this? The slope of this line is minus 1 by 2. So what is the slope of this tangent? Slope will be equal to, correct? M1, M2 equal to minus 1. M is equal to 2. Let S and S dash be the foci of this ellipse. This is S dash be the foci of this ellipse. E be the eccentricity of this, and area of the triangle SPS dash. Area of this triangle is A be the area of this triangle. Then what is the value of, okay, 5 minus E square into A. So first thing, what is, we have to find this value. So for that you have to definitely find eccentricity. So what is eccentricity? E square. This is 1 minus B square by A square. So what is this? This is 1 by 2, right? This is 1 by 2. So what is eccentricity? 1 by root 2. So E square, you can check, this is equal to 1 by 2. So this, now we have to calculate the area of this triangle. How will you get the area of this triangle? Understand this. We know the slope of this line, this tangent, which is equal to 2. You can see we have to find the area of this triangle A. For that, we can see we can easily find the distance here. What is this? This is AE comma 0 minus AE comma 0 and AE comma 0. If I can get the coordinate of point P, I can definitely find the area of this triangle. Now, how will you get the coordinate of this point? You have, what is the equation of tangent to this ellipse whose slope is equal to 2? You can see what is the equation of tangent. We have to find this coordinate of this point P. So what is the equation of tangent whose slope is equal to 2? Or otherwise, see, either you can find the tangent and then you can find the point P, or otherwise what you can do is you can, without finding tangent also you can see, let's say this point P is A cos theta comma B sin theta. Any point on the ellipse can be taken as A cos theta B sin theta. Now, what is the equation of tangent at any point A cos theta comma B sin theta through this ellipse? X upon A cos theta plus Y upon B sin theta is equal to 1. This is the equation of tangent at any point on the ellipse A cos theta comma B sin theta. Now see, what is the slope of this? What is the slope of this? This is minus cos theta divided by A divided by coefficient of X divided by coefficient of Y. This is sin theta by B, right? So this is, you can write, what is the slope? This is minus cos theta by sin theta into, this is B by A, correct? B by A. Now, given the slope of tangent at this point is 2, so this should be equal to what? 2. So from this you can see here, this is tan theta, sorry, cot theta. Let me write it. This is cot theta minus cot theta. What is B? B is 2. What is A? A is 2 root 2. A square is equal to 8 and B square is equal to 4. So B, A is equal to 2 root 2, B is equal to 4, right? This is equal to 2. So from this you can see what is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 2. Tan theta is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 2. You can check the calculations here, right? Now, what is the coordinate of point P? If tan theta is minus 1 by 2 root 2, what is the angle in the second quadrant? So what is sin theta? Sin theta will be a positive value. Sin theta will be a positive value because we have to write in the second quadrant theta, right? If tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 2, I can just make this triangle. You can see this is perpendicular. This is base 1. This is theta. Okay. So what is this? Under root of 8 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So this is 3. This is 1. Hypotenuse is 3. So what is sin theta? Sin theta will be equal to 1 by 3. And what is cos theta? Cos theta will be minus 2 root 2 by 3. You can check this. Why I have taken this theta negative, cos theta negative, because second quadrant cos theta is negative, sin theta is positive. Okay. So now, if you put these values, what will be the point P here? So I'll just write this point P. Point P ke coordinate. Point P is A cos theta. What is A? A is 2 root 2. So this is, if I put A is 2 root 2, this is 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2. You can, let me write it again. Let me write it here. This is point P. A cos theta, B sin theta. So what is point P? What is A? A is 2 root 2. This is 2 root 2. What is cos theta? Cos theta is minus 2 root 2. Minus 2 root 2 by 3. Comma. B sin theta. What is B? B is 2. B is 2. So this is 2 by 3. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 3 here. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 3, right? So what is this P point? This is minus 8 by 3 comma 2 by 3. This is the point we have got, point P, right? Now, Question क्या था? We have to find the area of this triangle. This is area. Now see, what is this distance? We can easily find this distance. This is 2AE. So what is, I am writing the area of this triangle. How I'm writing this? You can see here. If I drop perpendicular here, this will be the height of this triangle. This will be the base of this triangle. So what is height? Height will be the y coordinate of this point. Y coordinate of this point, because this is x-axis. So what is the y coordinate of this point? This is 2/3. So what is area? I'll just write it here. This is area will be equal to 1/2. What is the height? Height is 2/3. 2/3 into base. Base is 2AE. This is SS dash is the base, right? So if I substitute these values here, you can see this is 1/2, 2/3, 2, A क्या था? A is 2√2 and E is 1/√2. E is 1/√2. So now you can just check the calculation. अब तो सिर्फ calculation ही है. So this is cancelled. √2 is cancelled. 4/3. I hope this is clear. 4/3, right? So now final answer. Final answer. A is 4/3. So this is 5 minus E square. What is E square? 1/3. 1/2, sorry. 1/2. And A is 4/3. So this is, let me change the color. This is 5 minus 1/2, 4/3. Okay. So this is 9/2 into 4/3. So what is this? This is 2. This is 3. So what is the answer? This is 6. So option 1 is the correct answer. So this is how we can solve this question. So I hope this is clear. See, in this question, we have directly got the point of contact. You can see we have directly got the point of contact by using this parametric coordinate. What you can do is you definitely find the tangent का equation and उससे भी हम find कर सकते हैं. But यहाँ पे हमने without tangent we can directly find the equation of the point of contact here. Okay. So this is how we can solve this question. I hope you have understood this. Now let's move to the next question. Let E be the ellipse whose axes are parallel to coordinate axis. Whose axes are parallel to coordinate axis, having center at 3, -4 and focus at 4, -4. One vertex is 5, -4. So you can see here the center is not the origin. This is 3, -4. Now let's draw a rough sketch. Let's say this is our coordinate axis. Center is 3, -4. This is the point 3, -4, fourth quadrant. One focus is 4, -4. So you can see focus, this is 4, -4. This is line parallel to x-axis, right? Because y coordinate is same, right? One vertex is 5, -4. This is one vertex which is 5, -4. So you can see here, this will be an ellipse. So let me again draw this. Let's say, let me draw it again. Let's say this is the ellipse. Okay. Center is 3, -4. Focus 4, -4. Vertex 5, -4. This is the conditions we have, right? If y is equal to mx minus y equal to 4, m is positive tangent to this ellipse, then what is the value of 5m square? But basically आपको tangent का equation find करना है. Now see, what is the equation of this ellipse? First thing you can observe, अगर ये center है, this is the line which is parallel to x-axis. This will be the minor axis. ये इसका ऐसा minor axis बनेगा, ठीक है? I am not drawing x-axis and y-axis. If this is shifted to 3, -4, what will be the equation of this ellipse? So can we say equation of this ellipse will be x minus 3 square upon a square plus y plus 4 square upon b square equal to 1. Check this step. If the center is at some point x1, y1, and the coordinate, the major axis and minor axis are parallel to x-axis and y-axis. You can see this is line parallel to x-axis, this is parallel to y-axis. Then what is the equation of ellipse? This is the equation of ellipse. X minus x1 square upon a square, y minus y1 square upon b square equal to 1. Here a will definitely be greater than b because this is a horizontal shift. You can see because this is the line which is parallel to x-axis. उस पे ये lie कर रहा है focus, right? Now what are the values of a and b? तो वो आप यहाँ से find कर सकते. देखो, we know what is the distance between the focus and the center. We know the distance between focus and center is AE. The center and focus के between distance क्या होता है? AE होता है, which is equal to 1 here. 3, -4 और 4, -4 के between distance क्या है? 1. Now, what is the value of A? We know the center के between distance. The center and vertex इनके between distance क्या होता है? This is A. This is A. This is AE. So what is A? What is the distance between this and this? This is equal to 2. You can see this is equal to 2. And what is the relation between A and B? We know this is B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square because A is greater than B. So now A का value है क्या? 2. What is this? This is B square is equal to A square minus A square E square. So what is B square? This is A square equal to 4 minus A square E square equal to 1. So this is B is equal to root 3. This is B is equal to root 3. So what is the equation of this ellipse? This is x minus 3 square upon A square. What is A square? This is 4 plus y plus 4 square upon B square. What is B square? B square is equal to क्या था? B square is equal to 3 is equal to 1. This is the ellipse, right? Now the question is if mx minus y equal to 4 is tangent to this ellipse. So let's say some line mx minus y equal to 4 is tangent to this ellipse, then what is the value of 5m square? Now see, what is the equation of tangent to this ellipse? Can I say the equation of tangent with slope m, or otherwise what you can do is you have to just find the value of 5m square. What you can do is, what is the condition for tangency? If I have this is, what is the equation of this tangent? X square upon A square plus y square upon B square equal to 1. This is the equation of, what is the equation of tangent to this type of ellipse? This is y is equal to mx plus minus under root of A square m square plus B square. This is the equation of tangent to this type of ellipse. Instead of x, we have x minus 3, and instead of y, we have y plus 4. So what you can do is you can put this is y plus 4. What is the equation of tangent to this now? We are writing is equal to m, x की place पर we have what? X minus 3 shifted है ना? Plus minus under root of a square. What is a square? What is a square? A square is 4. So this is 4m square plus b square. What is b square? B square is equal to 3. So you can see here, this is y is equal to mx. ये देखो y is equal to mx minus 4 minus 3m plus minus under root of 4m square plus 3. ये आपके पास इक्वेशन आया है किसका? टेंजेंट का. किस पे? इस एलिप्स पे with slope m, right? अब आप ध्यान से देखो, if I just compare this, you can see here this is mx minus y. This is equal to 4 plus 3m plus minus. इसको अरेंज कर रहा हूं मैं. This is plus minus under root of 4m square plus 3. mx minus y is equal to this is the tangent to this ellipse. It is given in the question. So can we say this quantity should be equal to 4? This should be equal to 4 if I just compare this. So now you see, if I just equate this, I don't have the place. So 4 plus 3m plus minus 4 plus 3m plus minus this. This is 4m square plus 3. This should be equal to 4. You can just cancel this. So I can say this is 3m is equal to plus minus under root of 4m square plus 3. Now to solve this, what I can do is square कर दो. So this is 9m square is equal to 4m square plus 3. So what is this? 5m square is equal to. So what is the answer? 5m square. 5m square is equal to 3. So that is the answer for this question. 5m square equal to 3. So I hope this is understood. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम मतलब important point क्या था देखो. How we got the equation of ellipse? First thing, this is the shifted ellipse. And how we got the equation of tangent? This is standard ellipse. इसका equation of tangent को पता है y is equal to mx plus minus a square m square plus b square. तो इससे how we got the equation of tangent to this? हमने shift कैसे कर दिया देख लो. y plus 4 x minus 3 इसको arrange किया and then we have compared and got the value 5m square equal to 3. So I hope you have understood this question also. So this is the last question of the series of ellipse. I hope you are following all the questions. Let L be the tangent to this parabola y square equal to 4x minus 20. कोई parabola है उसके 6,20 पे या 6,2 पे कोई tangent है L. If L is also the tangent to this ellipse, then what is the value of B? Now again, this is very easy question. Even you don't have to draw the diagram. You can see L जो line है that is tangent to this ellipse. So first, what is the equation of L? You can easily find because L is the tangent to this parabola at 6,2. If you have y square is equal to 4x minus 20 and we have 6,2, इस पे ये point satisfy कर रहा है. You can clearly see if I put this is 40, this is 24 minus 20, which is 4 square root of 4. This is 2, मतलब इसको satisfy कर. How will you write the equation of tangent at 6,2 on this parabola? Either you can apply dy by dx concept. dy by dx आप slope of tangent find करके उसका आप find कर सकते हो. Otherwise, you know how to write the equation of tangent or any degree 2 का. Replace y square को हम किससे replace कर देते हैं? y1 से. So we can say this is 2y. ये x1 y1 है जिसपे आपको tangent का equation लिखना है. 4 replace x को हम किससे replace कर देते हैं? x plus x1 by 2 से. So this is x plus 6 by 2 because we have to get the equation of tangent at this x1 comma 1 और ये minus 20. So what is this? This is 2y is equal to 2 x plus 6 minus 20 and now if I just cancel this y is equal to x plus 6 minus 10. तो मतलब क्या हो गया? This is x y is equal to x minus 4. ये आपका tangent का equation आ गया. ये L का equation. This is the equation of L. Now L is also tangent to this. Now you can see we have a line L which is tangent to this. What is the condition for tangency? We know that c square should be equal to a square m square plus b square. यही होता है, right? So what is this? You can see c square. What is c square? 16. Y intercept minus 4 था. A square. What is a square? A square is 2, right? So this is m square. What is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is 1. So this is 1. What is b for this? अच्छा इसमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखना. b यहाँ पे we have b. So what is b for this? इसका आप लिखोगे root b का whole square. So what is the value of b here? Root b. So this is root b. ठीक है. और इसका whole square. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखना because यहाँ पे b था तो ये root b square लिखा हमने. तो b का वैल्यू क्या होगा यहाँ पे? root b. ठीक है. वो जो b वाला था तो इसलिए हमने ये root b का square लिखा. ठीक है. So what is this? This is, you can see this is b is equal to 14. b is equal to 14. So what is the answer? Option A is the answer. It is an easy question, simple question, right? So I hope we have understood all the concepts which we have discussed for ellipse, and it was a good revision. So if you have understood, you have liked these videos, please do like all the videos, subscribe to the channel so that when I upload the next chapter, you will get the notification. Okay. So that's it for now. Thank you.